to the end of this very peaceful, transparent primaries that we are having here in Edo State, gubernatorial primaries for the Labour Party. And we are at the stage where we announce the results of all the aspirants that participated in these very primaries. Number one is Chief Kenneth Imaswago, popularly known as Rice Man, a male with a total number of 7 votes. Barrister Olumide Akpata, a male, scoring a total number of 316 votes. Dr. Angela Asson, a female, scoring 0 votes. Seniors Ogun, male, scoring 4 votes. Prince Tom Isegori, a male, withdrew from the contest. Professor Sunday Eromosele, a male, 7 votes. Ernest Abebe, a male, scoring 3 votes. Dr. Loretta Oduare, female, scoring 0 votes. The last but not the least, Mrs. Blessing Ekele, a female, scoring 0 votes. Now the declaration of the results. As the winner, so I hereby, as the chairman, Engineer the Deputy Governor of Abia State, Chairman and Chief Returning Officer of Edo State Labour Party gubernatorial primaries, by the powers vested on me by the National Working Committee and the National Executive Council of the Labour Party, I hereby declare as follows. Mr. Olumide Akpata, having scored the highest number of votes and certified the provisions of the Constitution of the party, is hereby declared the winner of the gubernatorial candidates of the Labour Party for the Edo State Governorship election 2024, and hereby declared return as my candidate.